Good morning all of you. Last lecture we had studied morphological structure of angiosperm. त्यामध्ये आपण बघितलेलं आहे study of root and its modification, study of stem and its modification, leaf and its modification. So today we will discuss about flower and its parts. So flower, it can be defined as it is the highly modified and condensed shoots specially carry out the sexual reproduction. म्हणजे फ्लावर हे काय कॅरी आउट करणार आहे, सेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. अँड फ्लावर कन्सिस्ट ऑफ 3 पार्ट्स. फ्लावर 3 पार्ट मध्ये डिवाइड झालेला आहे. फर्स्ट इज द पेडिसेल, थॅलॅमस अँड फ्लोरल वॉल. पेडिसेल, इट इज द स्टॅल्क ऑफ फ्लावर. Thalamus, it is a swollen conical cup-like structure. It is called as thalamus. And floral wall, there are 2 types of floral wall. It is the essential and non-essential. So essential and 4 floral wall. It is the calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So calyx and corolla, it is the non-essential floral wall. It does not involve in sexual reproduction. And androecium and gynoecium, it is the essential floral wall and it is involving sexual reproduction. So let's start the PPT presentation.
The highly modified and condensed shoot specially carry out the sexual reproduction. It is called as flower. Floral wall, there are 2 types of floral wall. It is the non-essential and essential. Non-essential floral wall, it is the calyx or corolla. And essential floral wall for sexual reproduction, it is androecium and gynoecium. Essential for what? Essential for sexual reproduction. And it involving androecium as well as gynoecium. And calyx or corolla, it is the non-essential floral wall. Pedicel, thalamus, and this is the floral wall. And floral wall consists of 2 parts. It is the non-essential floral wall and essential floral wall. We know the flower, function of flower, it is the sexual reproduction. It is the stalk of the flower. Flower with pedicels, it is called as pedicellate flower. And flower without pedicel, it is called as sessile flower. And thalamus, it is also called as receptacles or torus. And terminal end of pedicel is swollen or expanded to form the floral axis. 4 nodes and 3 internodes. From each node, a wall of modified leaves is produced. Calyx, it is the first non-essential floral wall. It is the outermost part made up of sepals and green in color. Sepals. When sepals are free from calyx, it is called as polycephalous calyx, and when these are fused, it is called as gamocephalous calyx. And for example, China rose. Sepals. And corolla, it is the second non-essential floral wall and it is present inside the calyx or inner to calyx. It is made up of petals and bright in color, and gamopetalous, it is united, and petals are free from corolla, it is called as polypetalous. And for example, rose. And when petals are fused with each other, it is called as gamopetalous. Gamo means fused. And for example, the datura. And functions of corolla, it is the attraction. The bright color attracts birds and insect for pollination. म्हणजे पाकळ्या, ह्या ज्या पाकळ्या आहेत ज्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, पेटल्स, आणि हे जे करोला आहेत हे कशाने बनलेले आहेत, पेटल्सनं. आणि हे पेटल्स कसे असतात आपण बघितलेलं आहे, वेगवेगळ्या कलरचे पेटल्स असतात. हे वेगवेगळ्या कलरचे का असतात, कारण बर्ड्स किंवा इन्सेक्ट्सला हे काय करतात, आपल्याकडे स्वतःकडे अट्रॅक्ट करून घेतात. कशासाठी, तर ह्या पॉलिनेशनसाठी. तर पॉलिनेशन, व्हॉट इज मीन बाय पॉलिनेशन? पॉलिनेशन, इट इज द ट्रान्सफर ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन फ्रॉम अँथर टू स्टिग्मा. इट इज कॉल्ड एज पॉलिनेशन. जेव्हा आपण रिप्रोडक्शन इन अँजिओस्पर्म हा चॅप्टर बघणार आहोत, त्यामध्ये आपल्याला हा एक सब टॉपिक आहे, याला आपण पॉलिनेशन. देर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनेशन. इट इज द सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन अँड क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन. आणि जेव्हा सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन मध्ये, तर पॉलिनेशन म्हणजे ऑटोमॅटिक होऊ शकतो, पण क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन इट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर agent or these are birds and insects, these are a pollinating agent. And it is a tubular gamopetalous corolla can store nectar for attraction and protection of inner essential wall. आता प्रोटेक्शन कुणाचं करणार आहे, इनर इसेन्शियल वॉल्स. आता हा कॅलिक्स, Gynoecium, it is the fourth essential floral wall and it is the female reproductive part of the flower and innermost in position. हा काय आहे, इट इज द फिमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह ऑर्गन आहे आणि हे कुठे प्रेझेंट आहे, इनरमोस्ट इन पोझिशन, म्हणजे अँड्रोशियमच्या मध्ये हे गायनेशियम प्रेझेंट आहे. And it is also known as a pistil. And the individual member of gynoecium is known as the carpels. It means